Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated Moen Revyl matte black one-handle single-hole modern bathroom sink faucet. This stunning faucet makes a bold statement with its matte black finish, adding a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Designed with flexibility in mind, it includes an optional 3-hole deck plate or escutcheon for versatile installation options. Not only does it look great, but it's also WaterSense certified, meeting EPA criteria to conserve water without compromising performance. Plus, it's ADA compliant, ensuring it meets the Americans with Disabilities Act specifications for accessibility. Built to last, this faucet is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind with every use. Transform your bathroom with the Moen Revyl faucet and enjoy a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.